Here are the two schools for tonight's show. Dinthill Technical from St. Catherine up against DeCarteret College from Manchester. This is Schools Challenge Quiz. Dinthill Technical is represented this evening by Team Captain Justin Anderson, Casey Grant, Jadianne James, and Jermaine Wilson. While DeCarteret College is represented by Team Captain Kayla Dunkley, Shade Frith, Tatiana Houghton, and Alani Stevenson. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello and welcome to more Round 1 action here in Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm Jean-Paul Menou. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge. But do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move on to the next round? Let's get into the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will be given 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. DeCarteret College won and decided to go first. So we begin with DeCarteret College. The section lasts for 4 minutes. Let's get that time on the clock, please. With that, DeCarteret College, we begin with French. What is the English translation for the verb regarder?
To watch.
To watch.
To watch.
To gaze or to look at. Correct. French for Dinthill. What is the English translation for the verb pendre?
To think.
To think.
No, to hang, suspend, or to dangle. International affairs for DeCarteret College. Look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Czech Republic. Czech Republic.
Czech Republic.
That's right, or Czechia. International affairs for Dinthill. Look at the monitor. Identify which country's flag is displayed now.
Latvia.
Latvia.
Slovakia. Art for DeCarteret. Which French artist painted the piece Four Dancers?
Claude Monet.
No, it's Edgar Degas. Art for Dinthill. Which Spanish artist painted the piece The Tragedy?
Tragedy. Spanish. Salvador Dali.
Salvador Dali.
No, it's Pablo Picasso. Principles of business for DeCarteret. What is the term starting with C for physical assets that businesses use to produce goods or services?
Capital.
Correct. Principles of business for Dinthill. Which of the following represent or represents direct cost for a business, rent, raw materials, or insurance?
Direct costs. Rent, raw material, insurance. Rent.
Raw material.
Raw material.
Raw material.
That's right. Music and audio one for DeCarteret. Listen to the following clip, ladies, and give the title of this song. Don't stop till you get enough. Music for Dinthill. Listen to the following clip and give the title of this song.
With joy and laughter, togetherness, girl, is all I'm after.
Moonlight.
Moonlight.
No, it's I'll Be There, the Jackson 5. Bible knowledge for DeCarteret. In what book of Thessalonians can you find the verse, "In everything give thanks, for this is the will of God in Christ Jesus for you"?
13.
No, 1 Thessalonians. Bible knowledge for Dinthill. In what book of the Bible can you find the verse, "Children, obey your parents in the Lord, for this is right"?
Ephesians. Ephesians.
That's right. Theatre and cinema for DeCarteret. Look at the monitor and identify this actor, please.
Jonathan Bailey.
Jonathan Bailey.
Good. Theatre and cinema for Dinthill. Look at the monitor and identify this actor, please.
David Castaneda.
David Castaneda.
No, it's Ethan Slater. Biology for DeCarteret. Which hormone helps in the secretion of hydrochloric acid from the human stomach?
Gastrin.
That's right. Biology for Dinthill. What is the name of the plant hormones that promote cell division?
Division. Oxygen. We have.
Auxins.
Auxins.
Cytokinin. Sport of visual for DeCarteret. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Novak Djokovic.
No, it's Andre Agassi. Dinthill, look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Bryson.
Bryson.
Bryson DeChambeau.
Bryson DeChambeau.
No, it's tennis legend Arthur Ashe. English language, DeCarteret. What part of speech is the word because as used in this sentence? I rested because I was tired.
Conjunction.
That's right, English language for Dinthill. What part of speech is the word my as used in this sentence? I enjoy my job very much.
Yeah.
Adjective.
Adjective.
It is indeed. General knowledge for DeCarteret. What date is celebrated as International Civil Aviation Day?
April 26.
April 26.
Good. Geography for Dinthill. What is the name of the world's largest tropical wetland?
Wetland. The Amazon rainforest.
Amazon rainforest. Amazon rainforest.
No, it's the Pantanal. Chemistry. And that is the bell. That's the end of the opening challenge for this evening. Scores in the match look to be Dinthill Technical on 3 points, DeCarteret College taking the early lead on 7. When we come back, it'll be time for the speed challenge. Stay with us. Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.